Greetings, Green Thumb Gardening family. Just a quick peek at the purple muscadine grapevines that we're currently growing here at the vineyard in our backyard food forest. This is the first year that our purple muscadine grapevines have produced for us. And this year, they are indeed loaded. We're really looking forward to tasting these grapes later on in the season here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, back here in our backyard food forest. Our purple muscadine grapevine is currently 3 years old. It didn't produce any grapes for us here last year, although our bronze muscadine grapevine here next to it was loaded last year. It's again loaded this year here at our backyard food forest, as you guys can see. And we're super excited and looking forward to quite an abundant harvest of muscadine grapes here, both purple and bronze muscadine grapes here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. We're expecting this year's harvest to be our most productive harvest ever of muscadine grapes here in our backyard food forest. When it comes to growing grapes, patience is a virtue. Many of us purchase grapevines or grow grapevines from seeds, as we grew this Concord grapevine here from seed, and we expect, to get grapes the first year, a huge load of abundance of grapes, and that's just not the way that nature works. Here on this end, you can indeed see a few of those Concord grapes on this end of the trellis, and our Concord grapevine here is now 2 seasons old in our backyard food forest. It did not produce as heavily as our bronze and our purple muscadine grapes vines have thus far. But we're super excited to see some grapes on this grapevine nonetheless for the first time here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video on growing purple muscadine grapes, bronze muscadine grapes, and Concord grapes here at the vineyard in our backyard food forest, and not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, Green Thumb Gardening family, be sure to share this video with your family as well. Yeah, growing grapes at the vineyard in our backyard food forest. Thanks for watching.